Now question 2. Find square root 175.01. Again we will make the pairs. Clear? For the decimal part we make the pair from this side. Clear? For the integral part we make from left side. Clear? Now 1 is to 1 1. 1 minus 1 0, 75. 1 plus 1 2, 2 3s are 6. It is divisible by 3. 23 into 3, 69. Now 23 plus 3, 26. Now point is here, this point is here. Now 2 3s are 6. If we say by 3, we can check 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. It is more, so we divide by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. Now we write it to 11 minus 4 7, 9 minus 2 7. Now 262 plus 2 264. Now 2 3s are 6. We check by 3 again. 2 6 4 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19, 3 2 are 6 plus 1 7. Now it is more than, so we divide it by 2 again. By 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 8 1, 6 minus 2 4, 7 minus 2, 7 minus 5 2. Now 2 plus 2 4, 4 26. Now we can see this one, 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 8 1, 6 minus 2 4, 7 minus 5 2. Now again the last pair. Now 2 9s are 18. It is divisible by 9. 9 9s are 81, 9 4s are 36 plus 8 44, 9 4s are 36 plus 4 40, 9 6 are 54 plus 4 58, 9 2s are 18 plus 5 23. Now 10 minus 1 9, 9 minus 4 5, 5, 11 minus 5 8 3. Now this is 9. Now we can see here the third digit is 9. It is more than 5, so we will write here 3. If the last digit, third digit, is more than 5, we add 1 to this digit. So up to 2 places the square root is 13.23. Clear? Now we are doing statement sum of exercise 3b. Now discussion number 14. Therefore 3600 soldiers are asked to stand in different rows. Every row has as many soldiers as there are rows. Find the number of rows. Now what we have to do? We have to find the number of rows. So we say let the number of rows are x. Now it is given every row has as many soldiers as there are rows. So we write here let soldiers in one row is x. So total rows are x, soldiers in x rows is equal to x into x, x square. Now we are having x square is equal to, soldiers are given 3600. Now we want to find out x. So for finding x we will take square root, because square root means power half. X is to power 2. When we take square root means power 1 by 2. Clear? Then 2 and 2, when 2 and 2 will be cancelled, then we were left with x. So we make 3600 square root. So we make the pairs 6 6 are 36. So x is equal to 60. Now number of rows are 60. Clear? We make pair 6 6 are 36. Then this 0. This 4 1 pair we write here 1 0. Now next question. Find the perimeter of a square whose area is 6889 meter square. Now we know for finding perimeter we need side. So firstly we will find side here. Now area of square is side square, that is equal to 6889. Now we want to find out side. For finding side we will take square root, because square root and square, this square root and square will be cancelled, because square and this square root means power half. 2 and 2 will be cancelled, 2 and 1 by 2 this will be cancelled, so we will wrap with side. Now side is equal to square of 6889. Side is equal to, we make the pairs 8 8s are 64, 8 minus 4 4, we 6 minus 6 0. Now full pair is here, 8 plus 8 16. It is divisible by 3. 16 3s are 48, 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. Now side is equal to 83 meter. We need to find perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 4 into side, 4 into 83, that is equal to 332 meter. Now question number 18. Question number 18. What should be subtracted from 6249 to get a perfect square number? what is the perfect square number and also find its square root. Firstly, we have to find what should be subtracted from this to make it a perfect square number. So what we do, we make the pairs, we will find the square root. 7 sevens are 49, 12 minus 9 3, 5 minus 4 1, 7 plus 7 14, it is divisible by 9 now. 9 nines are 81, 9 fours are 36, 9 ones are 9 plus 4 13, 9 minus 1 8. Now we can say 8 is remainder here. So this 8, if we subtract this 8, then the remainder will be 0 and this number will be a perfect square number. So we'll write, therefore 8 should be subtracted. Now perfect square number is 6249 minus 8, that is equal to 6241. Now we have to find the square root of this perfect square number. Again we make the pairs. It is divisible by 7, 7 sevens are 49, 12 minus 9 3, 5 minus 4 1. Here we write the full pair 41. 7 plus 7 14, it is divisible by 9, 9 nines are 81, 9 fours are 36 plus 8 44, 9 ones are 9 plus 4 13. Now square root of 6241 is 79. Now come to question number 19. What least number must be added to 594 to make the sum a perfect square? So we have to add something here. So again we will find the square root. Now make the pairs. 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 1, 94 here. 2 plus 2 4, 4 5s are 20. Clear? So we have to make 4 4s are 16 and 4 5s are 20. We have to add something here. So we will put here the greater number. So it is divisible by 5 then, because at 4 there will be some remainder. So we divided by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22. Now we subtract from this number. So we get here 31. If we add here 31, then it will be 225. So remainder will be 0. So we write here 31 should be added. Now question number 21. Find the least number of 6 digits which is a perfect square. For this, firstly we write here least number of 6 digits. So it is 1 0 0 0 0 0. Now firstly we will find the square root of this. This number is not a perfect square. So what we do, to find the least 6 digit number which is a perfect square, we need to find the least number that must be added to this given number so that it makes a perfect square. So what to write? We make the pair here. 3 3s are 9, 10 minus 9 1. Full pair here. 3 plus 3 6, 6 2s are 12. It is divisible by 1. 61 into 1 61. 10 minus 1 9, 9 minus 6 3. 61 plus 1 62. Now because we have to add something here, so we will write here the bigger term. So it is divisible by 7. Because at 6 it is smaller term. 7 sevens are 49, 7 2s are 14 plus 4 18, 7 6 are 42 plus 1 43. Now we subtract this from this number, we get 489. So we add this number to the least 6 digit number to make it a perfect square. So perfect square number is equal to, add this, it becomes, now we add this remainder, this number 489 in the given least 6 digit number, then we get the perfect square number of least 6 digits.